Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Eufy Security SoloCam E40 setup with HomeBase, full guide step by step clearly. To set up your Eufy Security SoloCam E40 with HomeBase, begin by unboxing your devices carefully. Ensure you have the HomeBase SoloCam E40 power adapter, Ethernet cable, and a user manual. Plug the HomeBase into a power source using the provided power adapter. Connect the HomeBase to your router using the Ethernet cable for stable internet access. Wait for the HomeBase to power up. Once the indicator light on the HomeBase is solid blue, it's ready for setup. Download the Eufy Security app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if you already have one. In the app, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select HomeBase from the list of devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the HomeBase to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, return to the main app screen. Tap the plus icon again to add your SoloCam E40. Follow the instructions to power on the SoloCam E40. You will hear a voice prompt indicating the camera is ready to be added. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code displayed on your phone with the SoloCam. Position the SoloCam facing the QR code. Wait for the confirmation sound indicating successful pairing. Choose an appropriate location for your SoloCam installation. Use the provided mounting bracket to securely attach the SoloCam to your chosen spot. Make sure it's at a recommended height for optimal viewing. Reconnect the SoloCam E40 to the app by ensuring it is powered on. Check the live view through the app to confirm the camera is functioning correctly. Adjust the camera settings such as motion detection and notifications as needed. Your Eufy Security SoloCam E40 is now fully set up with HomeBase. Enjoy enhanced security for your home with your new devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.